Hello students, let us start with the various operators in Python. Before I start with the operators, let us learn about the simple operations. Suppose I write here hello students. I can print hello students, and in next line suppose I print, basically these are the printing functions. Welcome to Python. It means I can print the data in next line. Suppose I have to print the data in the same line by writing in different line. Then I can place AND here, and I can print the data in same line. I can place comma here. It means I can write comma, hello students, welcome to Python. Suppose I write the data in the same line, print, copy the content, and then copy the second content. It means I can again print the data in same line. If I write /n, \n here, then I can print the data in next line. Hello students, welcome to Python. This operation is similar to your C language, that's new line. Let us copy and paste this content. If I place here tab, it means I can make a gap of tab in between hello students and welcome to Python. It's also similar to C language or C++. If I write print hello, then some spaces there, and I am using carriage return \r. It means I can place the data in starting position or initial position. If I print like this, it means I can print hello as it is. If I place R, then I can print the data in starting positions. Before doing operators, we are doing basically how to print the function. Suppose I write a is equal to 7, then print type a. It means I can print integer here. If I write 7.1, then execute, the value is float. If I write 7 plus 3j, the value is complex. If I write true, it means the content is bool. It's boolean. If I write any name or alphabet, it's a string. These are basically the data types used in Python: integer, float, complex, bool, and string. Let us start with the arithmetic operators now. The first category, number 1, arithmetic operators in Python. Suppose I write print 1 plus 2, I can print 3, 11 plus 3, I can print 14. It means simple operations are there of addition. If I write 11 divided by 3, it means the value is in decimal. If I write double slash, it means I can print the quotient only. If I write modulus here, it means I can print remainder. If I write multiplication, I can multiply the value. If I write 2 times multiplication, it means I can find the power 11 raised to power 3. If I write minus 3, it means I can find the negative power also. Suppose I have to enter the data from user side, int input, then I can write enter first number, then y int input, enter second number. In this way you can enter first and second value. If I write print here, sum is equal to, I can write x plus y here, control C, suppose write here difference, then these are the simple operations basically, x multiply y, multiplication, suppose I write power, it means I can use 2 stars. If I have to find remainder, then I can write x modulus y, I can find quotient also, quotient, then I can write double slash. Let's execute the program. Enter first number, suppose 13 is the first number and 4 is the second number. Sum is 17, difference is 9, multiplication is 52 and power is 13 raised to power 4. Remainder is 1, it means 13 when divided by 4 gives us the remainder as 1 and quotient is 3. These are the basic arithmetic operators. Hope you understand the content from user side and directly you can calculate the value. In the next video, I will discuss about assignment operators in Python.